I'm going to show you a Möbius trick called Hoopla. It looks like this. Hoopla is really cool because you can like take your hands out. You can do a rotation around your hands. You kind of alternate the which hand's on top. And when you come back out, you're just back into Möbius style. Hoopla is a Möbius trick. Möbius is a style of yo-yoing where you keep the slipknot on 2 fingers so you can quickly open it, and you're going to be able to do tricks inside the slipknot because of that. So Möbius is basically a way of adding the slipknot into the trick play. And for what we're going to be doing, we're going to be keeping the slipknot on the middle and ring finger, kind of between these 2 joints right here, like far away. The further away, the easier it is to get like a big opening when you open it up. And also important is you're going to want to make sure that the knot is on your pinky side. So when I say knot, I'm talking about this guy, and I want it to be here towards my pinky. And that's going to be kind of important. If you have it set up the other way, you're going to be in just different position when you do the trick. So have the knot on the R side and have it on 2 fingers, far away from your knuckles. The further away, the easier it is to get a big opening in there so you can get your thumb in. Okay, so what we're going to do for Hoopla is just a trapeze. Now you're going to take your yo-yo hand, your throw hand. You're going to open up those fingers and get your thumb in there so you get this opening. And then this thumb's just going to grab that string. And now all you're going to do is hop the yo-yo from the trapeze onto this part of the string right here. You're just going to hop up and let it fall off. And now you are set up. It's super easy. There's other ways to get into this loop, but this setup is going to make the yo-yo less grabby. You're not going to have the problem of the yo-yo kind of like eating the string or coming into the string. So again, we're going to do trapeze. We're going to open this, get your thumb in, and then get the other thumb in and change. And then we're going to hop the yo-yo onto here. And now I just put both my hands in. You can like put your whole hands in and just spin around in circles. I'm going clockwise from my perspective. And my right hand's kind of doing all the work. Basically, you don't need to be doing both hands. You're kind of doing a pumping motion with one hand. And from here, the variations you can do is you can put your pinky in, basically just one rotation, let your pinky in, and then you can do a pinwheel on each side. Or you can take your hand out, put it back in, take the other hand out, put it back in. You can do the pinwheels like that. You can also cross which hand is on top. I think that's pretty cool. And then to get out, basically I just stop and I'm just going to hop the yo-yo out to my side and let it fall back onto my finger. And if you did it right, you should end up back in R hold with the knot on your pinky side. So that's just one way to get into Hoopla, the side style variation. But from there, hopefully you can kind of figure out some cool things to do with it and things to do after the setup. If you'd like to learn more about Möbius, I have a Popcast video. You can go on YouTube and you can look up on the Möbius episode of Popcast to learn about its history and to learn about the basic holds and some tricks.